Good day, everyone. Today we have SK25 KAESER screw air compressor. It's 8 bars compressor, 15 kilowatts, made in 2011. Let's see the odometer. 33,000 hours, and under load 28, so it's a perfectly used machine, and it's 2,000 hours left till regular maintenance. The compressor is lastly checked today on June 15. The next thing you can see inside the compressor, the new belt is put it on, and also the complete service with the air oil separator, air filter, and built-in KAESER oil filter is replaced. The compressor is hooked up on a 1000 liter KAESER air receiver. It's currently 4 bars in the system and 4.4 bars on the compressor controller. So let's start up and see how it builds pressure. That's it. That's 8 bars on the 1000 liter air receiver. So thank you kindly for watching, and good luck on your bits.